Artificial Superintelligence Alliance is a new cutting-edge collaboration between three major decentralized AI platforms, and yes, I'm referring to SingularityNET, Fetch.ai, and finally, Ocean Protocol. These organizations have recently merged to create the largest open source decentralized ecosystem dedicated to AI research, development, and deployment. But what exactly does this mean, and why should we care? To fully understand the significance of this alliance, we need to explore not only what it aims to achieve, but also the context of artificial general intelligence and artificial superintelligence, as well as the potential impact they could have on our world. But before that, let's get some quick definitions out of the way. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, I will refer to it as AGI moving forward for this video, refers to AI systems that can learn, reason, and perform tasks at a human level across a wide variety of domains. Unlike narrow AI, which specializes in one area, and here you can think about Siri or recommendation algorithms used by Netflix, artificial general intelligence would have the flexibility and adaptability to handle any intellectual task that a human can. The transition from narrow AI to AGI would be a seismic shift in technology, enabling machines to understand, learn, and apply knowledge in ways that are currently impossible. On the other hand, we've got artificial superintelligence, or ASI. I will call it ASI moving forward for this video. Anyways, it takes things even further. ASI refers to AI systems that not only match but exceed human intelligence across all domains. Now, imagine if a machine were capable of outperforming the smartest human in every field, from scientific research to strategic decision making. This is ASI, and such technology holds unimaginable potential, but it also presents profound risks. If controlled by a centralized entity, whether a government or a tech giant, ASI could lead to enormous imbalances of power. Those who control ASI would have the ability to shape society, control resources, and even influence the future of humanity itself. Now, this is where the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance comes into play. The ASI Alliance aims to decentralize the development of AGI and ASI, ensuring that these powerful technologies are not controlled by a select few, but instead are governed in a transparent and democratic manner. So yeah, this merger is a huge step towards creating an AI ecosystem that is open, ethical, and globally accessible. The efforts of this merger are driven or inspired by three fundamental pillars, which together form the backbone of the ASI Alliance's strategy. The first pillar focuses on building decentralized artificial superintelligence. The Alliance recognizes that to compete with centralized AI efforts, it must take a multifaceted approach to developing artificial general intelligence. Now, this involves leveraging different streams of AI research, including the recent advancements in large language modules, which have become widely known thanks to tools like OpenAI's GPT models. Now, while large language models have shown significant progress in natural language processing, the Alliance also emphasizes the importance of combining neural networks with other approaches, such as neural symbolic reasoning and agent-based models. These different methodologies, they say, will work in tandem to maximize the chances of creating decentralized AGI and eventually ASI. The second pillar of the ASI Alliance focuses on showcasing real-world AI applications. Each of the three founding organizations brings its own unique capabilities to the table. So let's dive into this a bit. First, we've got SingularityNET, which offers a decentralized marketplace for AI services where developers can buy, sell, and share algorithms. Next, we've got Fetch.ai, which specializes in autonomous agents that can perform complex tasks independently, from supply chain optimization to predictive maintenance. And finally, we've got Ocean Protocol, which is a leader in privacy-preserving data management, enabling businesses and individuals to securely trade and manage data assets. By unifying these platforms, the ASI Alliance can demonstrate the immediate practical benefits of decentralized AI while working towards building a cohesive, integrated technology stack. The third and final pillar addresses the need to scale decentralized compute resources. In order to train, develop, and deploy AGI and eventually ASI, massive amounts of computational power are going to be required. Now, big tech companies have the advantage of owning vast data centers. However, the ASI Alliance seeks to level the playing field by scaling up decentralized compute networks. For example, Fetch.ai has already secured $100 million worth of GPUs to support this effort. Meanwhile, SingularityNET is exploring the development of custom silicon to make AI computation more efficient. The ultimate goal here is to create a decentralized network of compute resources that can rival the centralized infrastructure of major tech companies. Now let's switch gears a bit and talk about governance within this alliance. One of the most innovative aspects of the ASI Alliance is its approach to governance and tokenomics. The three projects' tokens, which were all top 100 the last I can recall, have now merged into the Fetch coin, which will serve as the economic backbone of the Alliance. The Fetch token will be used as a governance token, giving the global community of token holders a direct say in the future direction of the Alliance. This decentralized governance model is designed to ensure that the development of AGI and ASI is aligned with the broader interests of humanity rather than being shaped by a small group of corporations or governments. The Artificial Superintelligence Council, which is a newly formed governing body, will oversee the operations of the Alliance and manage the distribution of the Fetch tokens. This council will include representatives of the three founding organizations, but the real power really, truly lies in the hands of the Fetch token holders. By voting on key decisions such as expanding the alliance or adjusting tokenomics, the community will have a direct influence on how the ASI Alliance evolves over time. Now, looking ahead, the founders of the ASI Alliance are confident that AGI could be achieved within the next few years, with ASI emerging shortly after. They believe that decentralizing AI development is therefore not only the ethical choice, but also a very practical one. By uniting their resources and expertise, these three organizations are positioning the ASI Alliance to compete in the global race towards AGI and ASI. Literally, the future of intelligence is being shaped right now. And with the ASI Alliance leading the charge, it's a future that promises to be more inclusive, transparent, and democratic. And yeah, so we at Stakecito are super stoked to be a validator for the underlying chain securing the Artificial Superintelligence network. And for us, this basically means that we are essentially shaping history alongside these super teams, and we want you to join us. So come secure the network by staking your Fetch with us. And for more information on the ASI Alliance, visit their website at superintelligence.io. I will also share their vision paper, which is rather long and technical if you're interested in diving deeper into the deets. That is all for today. Have a good one for now. Goodbye.